Hey, hello all, welcome back to our channel guys, and today in this video we are going to unbox one special product. Actually it's headphones. It's a wireless headphones from Noise. Actually here you can see, here's the headphones guys. It's Masterbud Max model S, and here you can see sounded by Bose. It's good. Actually this price is 10,999 rupees guys of this headphones. You can purchase this from Amazon or Flipkart also. It's available. Even official Noise site also this headphones available. You can purchase this headphones guys. Okay, and not only that guys, if you're having any credit cards means there is some discounts also available. Even I signed Amazon for HDFC Bank credit card. There is some kind of discounts were available for this headphones. And okay guys, today now we are going to unbox this product. Yeah, let's come on, just now it's time to do an unboxing guys. Actually here you can see the box looks very premium guys. Actually here you can see it's good. Actually this is a titanium color headphones from Noise. Actually you can see Masterbuds Max. So box itself very big guys. Actually even my phone screen is also not covering entire box. Box size is also very big. You can see, enjoy high quality splendidly tuned audio. Okay guys, let's come on, it's now time to do unboxing. Just I need to remove these tapes. Okay, I have taken this out, and you can see here's the design and color is a titanium. Let's come on, it's now time to open this box out now. Just I'm going to trying to cover the entire box. My camera. Okay, let's come on. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's time to open this box. Yeah, here you can see. And will the master. Okay, just we need to open this out. Wow, here you can see guys. Actually this headphones looks quite very beautiful. Actually here you can see this stylish design and all. And okay guys, let's come on. Before taking this out, just let's see what are the things they have given inside this box. Actually here you can see. Okay, what is this? There's some, okay, seems here you can see, here's the pouch type they are providing. Like this we need to lock it, seems. Yes, okay, let's open it out. It's a pouch type guys. Actually I can see by branding Noise. Okay, let's keep this aside. And other than that, what they've given inside this, I don't know what is it. Okay, and here you can see, just we need to open this out. Okay, they're providing this type C cable, seems, for charging purpose. And other than that, we're providing some kind of stickers and all. I think each note Max Mist. Okay, just keep this aside. Okay, that's all guys, there's nothing inside this box. Okay, let's now it's time to take this out now first. Wow, you can see it's good. And let's check whether there is something is there under this box. No, nothing guys, that's it. Okay, let's go close this. And here you can see guys, here's the headphones. You can see here's the Noise Buds Max. Actually the style is also very good guys. Actually you can see it's very good. Actually you can open this out too. Okay, just take this out. It looks very good guys. It looks very stylish also. Oops, the sticker is not coming out here. Okay, you can see. Actually guys, it has up to 60 hours of playtime of this Masterbuds Max. Not only that guys, there is a lot of features were there, like app support is also there of this headphones. And not only that, there is advanced noise cancellation features is also there, and plus auto adjust sound level is also there for more detailing purpose. Like you can able to hear audio more detailed. And not only that, There is adaptive ANC and dynamic EQ is also there, and even you can control that some kind of features through app also, and that's good. And there's a auto adjustment sound level is also there, noise cancellation also there. That is the main important feature of this. Actually the cushion is also very soft, guys. Here you can see how soft it is. It's good actually, and we can able to adjust this turned on. You can see it's good. And here it seems we need to put a charge, not here, and here you can see here we need to just insert this cable, and we need to the charge. It seems sorry, actually not here. I thought this is a type C port. Actually the type C port is here, guys. You can see here's the type C port. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I have turned on this headphones. Actually you can see it's blinking light. It's good. We can able to listen to music and all, guys. That's it. And this item weight is only 50 grams, but I am not measured. I saw in Amazon description actually this weight is 50 gram officially they are claiming. And Bluetooth ranges, it goes up to 10 meters, guys. Plus there is a controller type is also there, like Google Assistant and Siri controller type is also there. And there's Masterbuds Max actually type C, and charging cable also they are providing. That's it. And some water resistance is also there, guys, of this Masterbuds Max wireless headphones. And okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or documents, ask in the below comment section, guys. I will reply as soon as possible. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.